ever wondered about making the most of your credit cards and improving your credit score? Well, if you have, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about credit card usage and how to maximize your credit card utilization to improve your credit score. Let's start with the basics. What is credit card utilization? Simply put, it is the percentage of the available credit that you are using at any one time. And how you manage that credit card utilization is going to determine much in whether or not you can buy a home, buy a car, even get a credit card. For example, if you have a credit limit of $1,000 and you have a balance of $300, your credit utilization is 30%. In general, the lower your utilization, the better it is for your credit score. So why does this matter? Credit card companies and credit scoring models like FICO look at your utilization to gauge your level of financial responsibility. High utilization may indicate that you're relying too heavily on credit, and that will negatively affect your credit score. Here's a rule of thumb to keep your credit score high. It's very simple. Keep your credit card utilization below 30%. This is often cited as a sweet spot for credit utilization. Let's say you have a $1,000 credit limit. If you keep your balance at or below $300, you'll stay within the 30% utilization range. This is considered optimal by most credit scoring models. Staying below 30% utilization actually shows credit card companies and credit scoring models that you are using your credit responsibly. Conversely, if you have maxed out your credit cards, you're at 90% or 95%, maybe even over 100% credit utilization, which I've seen many times, that is going to adversely affect your credit and in many cases will hinder you from buying a car, from getting a new credit card, and from buying a house. So how does your utilization actually impact your credit score? Well, your credit is calculated using several factors, and credit utilization accounts for about 30% of your overall credit score. That is why it's so important to keep track of how much of your available credit you're using. If you're using a large portion of your available limit, it may signal to lenders that you're a higher risk. Now that we know how credit utilization affects your credit score, let's talk about some tips to maximize your credit score through responsible credit utilization. First, try to pay down your balances early in the month. By doing this, you can lower your utilization before your statement date, and it'll be reflected in your credit report. Second, if you're close to maxing out your credit card, consider requesting a higher credit limit. By increasing your credit limit, you actually lower your utilization rate as long as your balances stay the same. Third, use multiple cards if you have them. Spreading your spending across different cards can help you keep individual utilization rates low. And finally, if you can, pay your balance in full every month. Proper credit card utilization is just one part of the equation. Here are some other ways that you can utilize credit to your best advantage. Look for credit cards that offer rewards or cash back on your purchases. If you're using your card regularly, you might as well earn something in return. Also, be mindful of your payment due dates and set up automatic payments so that you never miss your due dates. Missing a due date and being late on a credit card payment can have a detrimental effect on your credit score. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell so you never miss my updates. Have a great day and aloha.